Welcome to Technia TV. This is Shruti Sharma, faculty of BA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today my topic is podcasting. A podcast is a media file such as audio or video that is downloadable from the internet. These can actually be played back on a computer or be copied to and played by portable audio or video player, for example, iPod. Video podcasts are also known as vodcast. A key feature that distinguishes a podcast from other media files that can be downloaded or streamed is the ability for end users to download the podcast automatically using software that reads as RSS or Atom feed. It is basically commonly used in teaching. Instructors uses podcast for their lectures so that students can listen or view these as a review if they missed a class or in a distance delivery of a course as the means by which they can obtain information, that is a podcast. Also, guest speakers who cannot come to face-to-face class, they can also be interviewed in person or via telephone or through VoIP, that is a video call conferencing service. Then the interview can be shared as a podcast. Podcast can be used personally as well as professionally. Users can actually subscribe to podcast on a wide range of topics such as through iTunes podcasting library. News organizations provide podcasts of news stories and TV stations are beginning to podcast TV shows for purchase by viewers. Students can create podcasts to demonstrate understanding or for final project. Podcast producers use personal or workplace computers to combine voice, music, and sound effects into a composition that tells a story or expresses opinion on a social issue or trend. Some podcasts also use video. Usually, a podcast centers around a specific interest of the producer and the audience. For example, reviews, humor, ruminations, poetry, reflection, gossip, and personal interviews might be featured or included in snippets or segments. Audience listen through websites or players provided by the outlets like iTunes, YouTube, or SoundCloud. Let's now talk about the advantages of podcasting. Convenience. With podcasting, you don't have to worry that your audience is busy offline when you make your sales pitch. A listener can download the file and replay it at whatever time. Is convenient for him, even while jogging or driving to work. If someone chooses to subscribe to your podcast feed, he can get any podcast of interest downloaded automatically. If you want all your employees to hear what you have to say, podcasting is often easier than trying to get everyone together for one meeting. Next advantage is it is easy. Making a podcast is fairly simple. All you need is a computer or smartphone, software to record your presentation, and a connection to upload it to the internet. If you are looking to reach a wide audience, there are multiple sites that make podcasts available to listeners, including iTunes. You can buy software packages that also enable you to edit podcasts, add some sound effects, or store past podcasts for you to use later. Editing improves the quality of your finished podcast, but it does take more work. After the advantages, let's talk about the disadvantages. First one is loss of control. Like any other digital medium, podcasts are easy to share. If you use someone else's copyrighted material in your podcast, you have to take steps to protect it against unauthorized copying and file sharing. When it's your own copyrighted material, the same problem applies unless you are okay with it being passed around. If your podcast to employees includes confidential company material, anyone who accesses it can learn information about your business you would rather keep secret. Another disadvantage is accessibility. If you want to reach an audience that does not have access to the internet, then podcasting is not the way to do it. Podcast, especially vodcast, that is video files, are often large files, which also makes them hard to access for anyone with a slow internet connection. If you want to make an audio podcast available to a customer who is hearing impaired or anyone who does not have a compatible player, you need to turn on the material into a written transcript as well. Let me tell you now what podcast production is. What are all the things that are required to do a podcast? Producing a podcast requires a computer with a microphone port or attached microphone, internet access, and an editing software program like iTunes, iMovie, Movie Maker, or Audacity. If you want to use video, you will also need a digital video camera. Since many podcasts include graphics for titles and credits, the software you work with should be able to create text for the screen. If you don't mind publishing your podcast to a blog and keeping it there, you can record directly into Blogger or other blogging services like Blog Talk Radio. Often they will give you editing tools and help you gain fans and followers too. If you can use your own software, you will need to export the podcast as an MP4 file and upload it to the site or sites wherever you want it to be appear. So this was all about podcasting. For watching more such videos, kindly subscribe to Technia TV. Stay tuned until I come for my next lecture. Thank you so much.